Hi all, in this video we're going to be looking at how to update a chart. Now this is part of a chart series where you can actually set the chart colors equal to whatever you have in the background. So you'll notice that these match. So this is the second part of the series, and in this video we're just going to show you how to color an item. Now one of the things that I learned doing this is that you have to do an RGB conversion, so you can't actually just do a straight this is equal to this, which is a trick that I use all the time. And so we're just going to go ahead and dig right into it. So if you hit Alt F11, you can follow along and go through this code. So the first thing, we're going to just try to color an item. So the first thing we need to do is declare dim an item. So we're going to do dim CHRT as a chart. And that is going to be our chart object. Now once we have that chart object, we need to set that to something. So first thing we got to do is we're going to go sheet 1 chart object, sheet 1 dot, there we go. What it was doing is it was sheet 1 is the code name. I'll use that a lot. We're just going to go to chart object number 1 and we're going to activate it. And what that's going to do is it's going to set the focus of the spreadsheet to that. And so now what we can do is we can go set CHRT equal to active chart. Oh my gosh, can't spell. All right, now we've got our active chart. So the first thing we want to do, and what we're trying to do, just want to remind you, we're going to try to set this first Toyota, we're going to set it equal to whatever the top color is, because every time we run this we want to recolor everything to a standard color unless it's one of these highlights here. So with that in mind, first thing that we're going to do is we need to grab that color. So let me just show you really quick. We're going to go CLR is equal to sheet 1 cells 1 dot interior dot color, and I'll just show you what this looks like. Now you got to spell sheet correctly. This is going to give us the color of that code. Now I'm going to put this in my, and that's the color. So first thing that we need to do is we need to convert this to an RGB. So R is going to equal CLR mod 256. Now I'm not smart enough to figure this out on my own, so I use the internet to get me this information. We're going to take color, we're going to divide it by 256, mod 256. And then we're going to do B, we're going to do CLR divided by 35536 mod 256. And this is going to give us our RGB color, which we need for our code. So that is going to be chart dot series collection, and we're doing series collection 1, which is going to give us this guy right here, which is Toyota, or actually points. Series collection is going to give us this. Point is going to give us, which I'm going to type in here shortly, is going to give us this point on the graph. And so we'll do dot point, points 1 dot format dot fill dot for color dot RGB. And then we're going to go equals to RGB, and we're going to put in R, G, and B. And that looks accurate. Now let's go ahead and we're going to kind of look for this guy as we run this code. So I'm going to hit F8. We're going to walk through this each time. We're going to activate it. You'll notice that it did activate. It did pull that up. It's going to set our object equal to our chart equal to the active chart. We're going to grab that interior color, which gives us that right there. Then we're going to do our RGB, which through the miracle of the interwebs, we were able to figure that out. And when I hit F 8 here, it's going to change that into my blue color. So the cool thing here is if we change this to a, first of all, let's copy this guy, let's move this out, but let's change our color to a orange and let's see if this works. So F8, 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 we're running through this, and you'll notice that it changes it to a yellow. And so that's the first step in this series, which is how do you change the color of a single part of a grid. The next thing will be changing all items, then we'll be doing get the colors from the table, and then we'll be putting it all together, looping it all together. So hope you guys enjoyed.